Is this thing on? Okay, it's on, okay. Hey guys, it's me, I'm Niffty from the Hospital Hotel, and I'm here with the plush reaction video today, In today's video, I'm going to be reacting to this video. It's called Shut Your Comment, Fight Your Bird. Ooh. I didn't see that before, but it's my first time ever reacting. It's my first appearance. But let's get to this video, shall we? Okay. Oh, there he is. Oh, what's he doing? Let's look at the sunrise. Oh, he's imagining. Ooh. Oh, he wants to reach the top of the building so he can join the sunrise down. Oh, that was his imagining. Oh, there's the bear. Oh, wait, what? Oh no! Oh no! Oh, he didn't want to miss out. He has to reach top of the building. Oh no! Oh man, he can't let him get through. That's the bird. Oh, he trapped him. I guess. Oh no! He made a hole. Oh no, what's he doing? Oh my god! He's got burgers by his ass! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Come on! You don't want to miss it! Oh! Oh no! Ew, no! There you go! Get fight! Fight that bastard! Oh crap, no! Yeah! Oh no! No! Oh no! The bird's nest! Oh no, he broke it. Oh no! Oh man! What's he doing? Oh, he's gonna come. Wait, what? Oh, the birds are sad. Oh, man. Wait, what? Oh! Oh, my God. He threw a crowbar at the guy. Wait, what? Wait. He's giving his hat to the bird? Wait, shoot, he's giving the bird, he's giving his hat to the bird as a nest? Oh, the bird's happy now. Oh, he made it. Grab him, holding him. Oh, okay. Oh, he just shared the food with his bird. Hi! Hey, what? Oh man. Hey, what? that was really hilarious, but that was a video to show you come and fight bird. But let's go to the channel, shall we? Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm on the channel guys, so that was hilarious of this video of the bird. So I'm gonna just talk about two things I showed in the video was all I see was that man, the sergeant come in just like he wants to reach the top of the building, like he just wanted to reach the top of the building so he could enjoy his snacks of the sunrise down. But the bird was in the building and starting because I don't know what to say, but this one but that was I don't know, but the bird, but at the end the bird just joining with him, enjoying snacks, but that guy just got scratched. Yeah. Anyway, so that's all for today's Flash video, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. If you guys like this video, subscribe to this channel. Is that 895 reaction vlogs, more vlog videos? I mean, reaction vlogs videos. Sorry, my mistake. If you want to see from the last video, go check it out. Watch it. And also don't forget to follow Isaiah 895 reaction vlogs on TikTok, Instagram, and stuff. These two will be in the link in the description down below as always. So don't forget to follow these to all that stuff, and don't forget to like, subscribe to Isaiah 895 reaction vlogs. So which the next plush video should we do next? So let us know in the next video. So I'll see you guys in the next video, in another plush video or reaction video. I'll see you guys in the next plush video. Bye.